Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever saved a cool effect on Facebook and later wondered where it went, this quick guide will show exactly how to find all the effects you've saved on the Facebook app on PC after the new update. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open the main menu with your account options. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, choose Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps track of different actions and interactions on your account, so it's the right place to look when you want to find something you saved earlier. Inside the Activity Log, go to your Facebook activity. This section organizes your recent activity in a simple way, making it easier to find specific items like saved effects, reactions, posts, and more. Once you're in this area, look for the Reels option. Click on Reels, and then open effects that you've saved. That's where Facebook stores the effects you saved while browsing Reels or creating content. You should now see the full list of saved effects, and from here, you can review them anytime you want. If you still don't see the effect you're looking for, double-check that you're using the same Facebook account where you originally saved it. Also, make sure the app is updated because the menu layout can change with new versions. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can find every effect you saved on Facebook and go back to using them whenever you need them. If this helped, stay tuned for more simple Facebook tips and tricks.